In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a disabled Google account. We'll focus on Gmail, but the process applies to your whole Google account. First, open a fresh browser window on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type support.google.com and press enter. This is Google's official help center. Make sure your connection is stable and your browser is up to date so pages load correctly. On the support homepage, find and select Google Account. That's the hub for sign-in, recovery, and disabled account help. You'll see a suggestion to post to the help community. Click Post to the help community to open the forum where Google experts and users can assist. Choose Post a question. In the first field, write your request appeal. Keep it brief and clear. Explain that your account was disabled and you're asking for it to be restored. A short descriptive title works well. Stay polite and factual and do not share any sensitive information. Avoid posting names, email addresses, or codes. In the second field, provide a fuller description. Include relevant details like when you noticed the issue and any messages you saw so others understand your situation. Next, set the category. Select account access and recovery so your post reaches the right helpers. Click Next. If account recovery appears, choose it. If not, pick Other. Click Next Step, and when prompted again, click Next Step once more. Choosing the closest match helps volunteers find you faster and routes your question correctly. Select your platform, Android, iOS, or web. Then click Next Step again. Pick the place where the problem shows up most often for accuracy. Before you publish, turn on the option to get emails when someone responds. That way you'll be notified about replies or follow-up questions. When everything looks good, click Post to submit your appeal to the help community. After posting, wait for a response and keep an eye on your inbox. Check your spam or promotions folders just in case. You can also bookmark your post to check back easily. If someone asks for clarification, reply in the same thread to keep the history together and speed up the review. And that's it. Follow these steps carefully, be patient, and you'll give yourself the best chance of moving toward restoration. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Gmail tips and tutorials.